Sota Yanagisawa, a young Japanese man who grew up in Shanghai, is the earliest foreign friend I made in FPV. He has been soaring the skies since 2015, witnessing the evolution of this niche hobby into a widely recognized field of aerial photography. Sota's passion for FPV has grown alongside him, maturing into an expertise many of us can only aspire to. When DJI released their DJI FPV in 2021, I dipped my toes into this intriguing pastime. Sota, a seasoned flyer, became a mentor of sorts, sharing the skies in numerous flights with me. So when I heard he was returning to Shanghai for a vacation, I invited him to embark on a fresh journey.
The destination is Shengsi and Gochi Island,
situated southeast of Shanghai. These are the easternmost inhabited islands, a location not particularly friendly to well-equipped tourists like us who rely on public transportation. This time, however, I took the wheel, driving us straight to our first stop, Shengsi Island.
The weather is good.
The weather's so nice. It's so perfect.
3 hours of travel from downtown Shanghai landed us in Shengsi just in time for lunch.
They're all ready to leave.
Yeah.
After a quick bite, we launched into our afternoon flight, exploring a small lookout on the island's west side and weaving between fishing boats on the water.
But you have everything you want here. Actually, it's just a normal modern city.
Yeah.
It's not like an island or anything.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like an island.
Yeah, I think many people just live here. Hey, Sota!
What?
It's hot here.
On this flight, he brought a 7-inch and a 3.5-inch, while I got a combination of a 5-inch and a 3.5-inch. This equipment combination is enough for us to cope with such content. We launched into our afternoon flight, exploring a small lookout on the island's west side and weaving between fishing boats on the water. As the day drew to a close,
We ventured to the Liujingtan Natural Scenic Area,
the easternmost part of the island. With the scenic spot closing around 5:30, we embarked on a cliffside adventure armed with all our gear.
What are you shooting at?
The ocean.
Beautiful. Oh, the ocean.
With the absence of tourists, the park was ours to roam freely. The breathtaking glow of the setting sun and the exhilarating dives and jumps made us feel as free as the birds we shared the sky with.
How does that place look?
Beautiful.
All right.
What a day, my friend. What a day.
The mountainous terrain proved quite a workout, but a hearty dinner that night replenished our energy, and the delicious food was a fitting end to an incredible day.